Hey guys, it's Mark here and welcome back to another video, and today I have the Redmi 9 and I'm very excited, and I was really happy whenever my package arrived. I was like, oh my god, it's a Redmi 9, I need to really do the unboxing. Okay, without further ado, let's get it started. Okay, as you can see, here is the box and I have my trusty knife. Ta-da! And now let's cut it open. I got the 64 gig and 4 gigabytes of RAM, and it's in ocean green. I actually quite fascinated how the green looks like. So because I noticed that everybody is getting the sunset purple, so I actually wanted the green. So let's get into it. Ooh, okay, let's put that aside. Check this out. Okay, inside you can see a SIM ejector tool and a silicone case. That is nice, and warranty card. Okay, let's gonna put that aside, and this is the phone. Wow. Oh, the green. Shocking. It's actually quite nice looking. Let's open up the plastic. Okay, where is it to open? On the side? Whoa, this is nice. Okay, let's gonna put that aside. Let's check what's inside the box. Okay, charging brick and USB Type-C. Okay, that's it guys, and I'll be doing a full review soon. And as you know, this phone also comes with pre-installed screen protector. You know what? And although this is quite early in the video, it's just that it annoys the hell out of me because I do not like the pre-installed screen protector. So I went online and bought myself a tempered glass. Ta-da! So I'm gonna go install this. This is a matte tempered glass, so let's do it. So as you can see here, there is, I'm not sure if you guys can see, you can see over here that there is a pre-installed screen protector. I'm okay with it, but apparently I got myself some scratches here, and also that when I opened it, there's also one scratches here as well. So I'm just gonna go and take it away because it doesn't feel great or good at all. And now you can even see clearly that the pre-installed screen protector is very thin. So put that aside. And obviously we have these wet and dry wipes, which is highly important. So yeah, it's always good to clean up before you apply it. If you guys can hear all this construction going on, because I have a new neighbor moving in, and yeah, it's not making things easier to record the video, especially there since they are doing a renovation. So it's not great, but I hope you guys can't hear it. Obviously, one last touch to sweep things off away, and get this away. Turn the screen on so I can know where everything is. Okay, it's not really that full, but you know, I think it works pretty well. Okay, there is some bubbles here and there that I can fix it a little bit in a while. Oh man, at least right now the screen feels so much better to hold. Although it's not fully full, but I guess it works okay. I guess I just need to place it a little bit higher, because as you can see, this is a bit blocked. So yeah, this is my bad attempt to apply a screen protector, so hope you guys enjoy. Bye!